Hello YouTube family. Today I want to do a YouTube video talking about how to promote your opportunities the right way, how to build our audience and not just go around and doing bad reviews on companies, and also how to also do reviews on companies and make sure that they're legit and have your opinion and all the other stuff. So I will introduce myself. My name is Primm, and I've been doing this since 2022. Oh, excuse me, 2023 actually. Um, so that's my experience and my not really a background, but me being in the in the online space and all that. And this is not me attacking anybody in particular or anything. This is just me giving you my opinion and more, etc. etc. So now how to do a review. Okay, good. First, you need to look inside the product. Don't just look out from the outside. Looking for the inside. If you do looking from the outside and you be skeptical, then the person that asks you, hey, you want to join, say, hey, I'll pass. Don't sit there and say, oh, this is a bad company, or I don't like it to say it's a pass, it's not for me. They understand, and then they'll move on. So sitting there and doing bad reviews can hurt you in the long term, and you doing other things like bridge marketing, which is I think I've seen a lot of you guys do, which is when you talk about something and then you trying to bridge it to your opportunity because you're not getting commissions or something like that, then that's something you gotta work on, because I know most companies, they don't teach you how to. They don't say, hey, go, do this, and it's also against their terms and conditions. When you join things, they have a term and conditions, and one of those is what I just mentioned. So just getting out the warnings out here. I'm not getting out legal advice or anything like that. I'm not a lawyer, so don't say I am. So no, that's not me getting lawyer advice. This is me just helping people out so that way they don't get in trouble. So that's another thing, and just follow the company's TSOs and all that, so that way you good and you're not getting in trouble or anything like that. So just do things the right way, market the right way, and you're good. If you're making commissions, talk about your system. Talk about, hey, how this is great and something like that. Don't just sit there and bash companies every day. That's not what you're supposed to do. Should be talking about your business and your opportunity, not bashing companies every day, because eventually people are going to get turned off and they're going to move on to somebody else, or they're going to start commenting and say, hey man, you don't know what you're talking about, stop doing that, and where's your evidence, where's your proof, because now we're just getting to opinionated answers and not just facts. So that's my message out there to people that do things like that. So just be careful. Don't just sit there and using bash tactics to get people into your opportunity. Promote the right way and all that, and learn how to market the right way so you can get commissions and you can lead by example and not by example. But anyways, this is this video. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. There's no links. Again, there's no links. But if you want to see what I do, check out my profile, and it should be in my bio. So just check that out, and you can see what I'll be doing. Might be everywhere at this point, but at least I'm honest and transparent and not lying to myself. So just check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video wherever I want to do these videos. So y'all take care and have a great day, everyone.